Assalamu alaikum Genius Learners. Welcome to the Genius Learners Academy. So, do you wonder how scientists and doctors determine the actual functions of the body? How do they get to know about the relation between the structure and function of any organ? So yes, once upon a time in 1800s, 1700s and 18th century, scientist Marie Francois Xavier Bichet did the gross dissection and worked on 21 tissues, and hence he is known as the father of histology. But prior to that, Marcello Malpighi was the first scientist to observe the capillaries, so truly he also considered as father of histology. So here you can see the tissue which is the cluster of different cells having similar functions. Alright, so we'll discuss about the histology. So what is histology? Histology, also known as microscopic anatomy, microanatomy, or histochemistry, and it is the branch of biology that studies the microscopic anatomy of biological tissues. Histology is a microscopic counterpart to gross anatomy, which looks at larger structures visible without a microscope. So what about the origin of histology? So the word histo comes from Greek histos, which means tissues or web of a loom, and logos, which means thought and reasoning. So there are some similar terms like histoblast, histocyte, histodialysis, histogram, histolysis, and histomorphology that contains the word histo, and definitely they are related to the tissues. Inshallah, we'll make different videos later on that topic. So the example of histology is maybe the study of epithelium tissue. So there are different types of epithelial tissue. So there is cardiac histology, which deals with the study of the tissue of the heart. Adrenal histology, that deals with the study of kidney tissues. Osteohistology, that deals with the study of bone tissues. Gastric histology, that deals with the study of stomach tissues. So now there are some techniques in microscopic histology like the paraffin technique, frozen sections, and semi-thin sections. So what about the Quranic reference? In Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse number 12 to 14, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, "We, Allah, created man from a quintessence of clay. We then placed him as a nutfah drop in a place of settlement, firmly fixed. Then we made the drop into an alaqa, leech-like structure. And then we changed the alaqa into a mudgha, tube-like substance. Then we made out of that mudgha izam, skeleton, bones. Then we clothed the bones with laham, muscles, flesh. Then we caused him to grow and come in being and attain the definitive human form. So blessed be God, the best to create." So in this verse, different stages of embryology and the different tissues of the embryology has been discussed. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do subscribe.